Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to see your favorite songs on Apple Music. So first of all, just go ahead right here and just let me start looking for music, right? I'm going to just go ahead and enter the Apple Music. And I'm going to just continue right here. And basically you're going to see the interface of the app, right? So basically I'm going to just go ahead and, see all of the music right here appearing to me, or the radio, whatever it might be. You're gonna be able to see it right here. And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead into listening to these songs, whatever it might be, right? So basically now if I wanted to add a song to my favorite, I'm gonna just go ahead and add it to my favorites right here by clicking add to right here. Let me click favorite, right, or the star icon. So basically now I added this song or audio to my favorite. Now if I wanted to see it, I'm gonna just go ahead right here to my library, and I'm gonna see right here recently added, and you're gonna see right here let me just go ahead and start looking for songs or whatever it might be, and you're gonna see right here my favorite songs that I added to this section. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.